Let's start with phase 1. In phase 1, set the background. Make the sprite of start. Make sprites of a black bar, red bar, and hands of the red bar. Make the ball and add moving north behavior to the ball. Give click event to start. Remove start on click of the start. As we saw, the game had a certain background, let's set the background first. Go to the world section of commands and select grid. As we have seen, the game begins on a click of a start button. We need to make a sprite that looks like the start button. Reposition the start sprite at the bottom right corner. Let's create the black bar. Reposition it at the top center of the screen. Similarly, make a new sprite of red bar at the bottom center of the screen. Reposition the red bar at the bottom center of the screen. Make the left and right hands of the red bar and place them at the top of the red bar. Reposition the left hand on the top left of the red bar. Reposition the right hand on the top right of the red bar. Set the size of the left and right hands accordingly. Set size block and set it to 30.